Fish accessories. The Danielson 24 fold-up crab trap is an exclusive fishing accessory that is trusted widely by recreational crabbers throughout the Pacific Northwest. With this collapsible crab trap in your fishing kit, you can enjoy crabbing with utmost convenience. This is a non-compliant trap for the state of California. Quality construction. This foldable crab trap is manufactured of vinyl-coated steel wire, which is not just marine-grade but also utterly strong. This net can easily handle underwater conditions and is not at all bulky to save your extra storage space and carrying needs. Easy to use. This crabbing trap has 4 entrance doors and 2 escape rings, so you can easily catch small crabs. Featuring a fall-away rot cord system, this crab trap is easy to disable in case you are not able to retrieve it. Dimensions. This collapsible crab trap measures 24 in length, 24 in width, and 13 in height, making it an ultimate choice for recreational and professional crab enthusiasts. You can just fold this trap flat for easy storage and convenient transport. Calcutta Outdoors. A leading manufacturer of consumer products for the outdoor sports and recreation market, providing performance-driven products, including fishing rods, tackle, coolers, drinkware, outdoor apparel, paddle sports, and marine accessories. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome but too big to travel with. It looks great, but was too big to travel with. Have returned it and hope I get all my money back. I bought it with the rope and floaty thing and bait trap. When I wanted to return items, I got 1 return slip. The post office said I needed 2. I just made 2 copies and hope that's gonna work to get full refund. Other than being too big to travel with, it was great looking crab trap equipment. Closing parenthesis.